Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elise London, and in today's video we've got Wiggins hair with us, and their slogan is once meet never forget, per. But anyways guys, so they sent me over their Yaki straight U-part wig, and I'm going to do a little unboxing to show you what you receive in the packaging. They included everything essential which you need for a wig install, which is always a bonus. And let me get onto the smell of this wig. I'm sorry Wiggins hair, it's not like the back of your factory. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it just has that manufacturer smell, but I'm pretty sure you get that with majority of wigs that you receive. But it's cool if you're the type to go in and wash your units, go ahead and do that. So this is what the unit looks like up close and personal. You can see all the nice kinks in it. Just reminds me of, you know, black African American hair. So that hole I'm peeking through, just above it you can see that little string where I'm going to cut that off later on in the video, and you will see why. So inside of this U-part wig is basically constructed just like a normal lace front wig, but it has about 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom, and it also has, like, you know them clips where you get clip-ins, them kind of clips like in the middle of the unit. I think they added that just so that the wig can be more secure. So you guys, please don't come for me in the comments about my natural hair. So this is old braided out unwashed hair, so if you can see that little flakes in my hair, that is why. Other than that, I'm just gonna go in and straighten my natural hair just so that it will blend in with the U-part wig. This will be my first time installing a U-part wig. I haven't done this before. Well, I have off camera, but not on my actual channel, so don't come for me guys. I actually struggled installing this, but I got it to work in the end. And I've watched so many videos on girls installing U-part wigs and they make it look so easy, but when you actually get a U-part wig and try install it on yourself, it's quite hard. Like, I thought it was going to be really easy because of how they advertised it on YouTube, but it's quite hard. I think if you've been using U-part wigs, then it's a breeze for you, but if it's your first time or if you're a beginner at using U-part wigs, you are going to struggle at first, but then obviously slowly but surely you will get the hang of it. But don't worry beginners, you're not alone. I'm just like you. We can struggle together. Like I told you from earlier, that string you have to cut off because you don't need it. I'm not sure why they put that there, but just make sure you cut it off. Now I'm going to go in and make sure the adjustable straps are in place. Now let's struggle and put this U-part wig on, because boy, I struggled. So them clip-in clips, remember that I showed you, make sure you secure them at the dome of your head, and make sure that it's clipped onto your natural hair because you do not want to be experiencing any slips or slides. So now I'm just going to go in lightly and straighten the hair, because I feel like this hair is quite big and my head is only small, like a peanut. So that is why I'm going in and straightening it so that it just suits and fits my face. Now let's get into blending our natural hair into the U-part. I was excited for this part. I really enjoyed this part of the installation. As you all know that I'm a perfectionist, I know, leave me alone. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and perfect the parting. So once I'm done perfecting that, I'm just going to go in with my Got To Be gel and make sure that my edges are intact and slick. Can't be wearing a bomb U-part wig and your edges are looking crusty and tired. Come on now. it is a must, we got to make it look like it's growing out of our scalp. So shortly after that, I went in with the Wiggins edge scarf, which came inside of the packaging, and laid my edges down only for about a few minutes just to set it in place. And this is what the hair is looking like at the moment, you guys. Do you know what? I'm really liking it so far. I feel like it's me. Like, I really love Yaki kinky textured wig. So if you've reached 5 minutes 21 seconds, pause it and let me know what you think about this hair on me and how it looks. So we ain't finished yet with this installation, so we're gonna go in and define our part, and I'm gonna go in with some concealer. And look how much of a difference it makes. You can't tell me nothing. Nobody can come talk to me. This is my hair. This is coming out of my scalp. This is my hair. 100% is giving me natural perm vibes. I love the end results. I hope you did too, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure you leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also, share this video around, help a girl out here if you're my true supporter. A big thank you to Wiggins here for sending this over. Looking forward to future collaborations. Also, you guys, let me know if I should do more videos like this. Just down below in the comments any other companies you would like to see me review. So the video is coming to an end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.